Hello guys, today I will show you how you can earn money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best way to earn money online, and this method is absolutely free. You don't need to run any Facebook or Google ads and no need to spend your money. In today's video I would be showing you how you can earn a full-time income from home by just clicking the send button on Gmail. All you need to start earning is just your laptop. You would not need to pay for any of the tools I would be showing to you in the video. First step is to go to this website called Ad Creative AI. As you can see, this is an AI bot that can create ad and social creatives. This bot can help business owners get higher conversion rates and CTR, leading to more sales to a business. Now I want you to scroll to the bottom of this section. In this section, click on Affiliate. As you can see, you can become a partner of Ad Creative AI and get paid to promote it. Coming down here, you can see that they would pay you $750 after 10 signups, $7,475 after 100 signups, and $373,750 after 500 signups. On top of that, they would give you a $25,000 bonus. Second step is to go back to the top and click the Become a Partner button. On this page, you would have to sign up with your email name and password. Before you click Create Account, make sure you write down your username and password. After clicking Create Account, you should see your affiliate dashboard. To get your affiliate link, come to this side and click Links. Here you can customize your affiliate link. I want you to put something that is related to the free $500 in free Google Ads credit that they are giving away to people. This is for help you to reach people to use their service. For my example, I would be typing 500 free ad credits in this box. The third step is to go to google.com. You should see this Google search page. In the search bar, I want you to search any type of business such as restaurant, gym or barber. Then write +@gmail.com. Then click enter. Now I want you to copy everything on this page and click copy. The fourth step is to go to Email Checker. Now, as you can see, this is an email extractor tool that can help us easily find all the emails and the text that we just copied just now. Now paste the text in this box here, then click the Extract Email button. After you click Extract Email, you should see the emails that were hidden in the previous Google page. Now copy all these emails and go to Gmail. Gmail is an email service that is 100% free to use. To use Gmail, you must first sign up. You should see your Gmail account after signing up. Now go to the top left section and click Compose. After clicking it, a new message pop-up should appear on the bottom right of the screen in the To box. Copy and paste all of the emails you just collected into the box below. You'd have to include the subject. I recommend mentioning the free $500 in ad credit they can get if they sign up through your link. Then, in the following box, copy and paste the email template that I left in the description below. Return to Ad Creative AI's affiliate dashboard and copy your affiliate link. Then copy and paste it into these email sections. Now send the email, and once they receive the service, you will be paid your commission.